Shoot! How's it? There's a lot of things here you probably didn't know glow in the dark, like cooking oil, for instance. You think your kitchen's clean? Get a Blacklight. Let me show you what's cooking. Can you smell? La, 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 la. Never mind. Let's go. All those little specks that you might not see in regular light is cooking oil. I'll sure get brownie points with the wife for cleaning this oil up. Now that the kitchen is clean, what do you use to clean your clothes? We use laundry detergent. This stuff reacts to a blacklight because it has key ingredients in it like optical whitener. Speaking of optical whitener, have you noticed when you're under a blacklight and you see all these tiny white fibers on your clothes, but when you're in regular light, you don't see them? That is from the lint or dryer sheets when you dry your clothes. Crazy, right? White sheets will fluoresce under a blacklight because it has the optical whitener inside of them. This makes it great for Halloween ghosts. It's time for me to take a break from filming this video. I need a little water. Tonic water to be specific, made by Market Pantry. No, this video is not sponsored by Market Pantry. Did you know any type of tonic water will glow underneath blacklight? This drink is great when you throw a glow-in-the-dark blacklight party. Just don't drink too much, because otherwise you're gonna have to go to the bathroom. And what's lurking in that bathroom, you don't want to know. Did you know urine and other bodily fluids glow in the dark? The bathroom may look clean in regular light, but next time, take a blacklight with you and see what kind of surprises you'll see. And don't worry, that was just tonic water that I was pouring in the toilet. Most regular fluorescent paint will react to a blacklight, but I would stick to UV fluorescent paint as it'll be a lot brighter than regular fluorescent paint. Rocks also fluoresce under a blacklight. Why? Because I paint them with UV fluorescent paint. Lol. No, but really, there are rocks that will naturally fluoresce under a blacklight. There are a lot of other things that glow under a blacklight, like scorpions, money, turmeric, fish oil pills, paper, toilet paper, the list goes on and on. Next time you check into a hotel, make sure you bring a UV flashlight. That way, you know if your room is really clean. Trust me, you'll be shocked to see what you normally wouldn't see with a UV flashlight. If you don't know what UV flashlights to use, check out these videos here. Mahalo.